Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a super messy house. It's kind of honestly a disaster, so I'll be doing a lot of cleaning, a little bit of decluttering, and tons of obviously organizing, putting things back into the space that they belong. We had a really crazy weekend. We had a long weekend, and we primarily spent most of the time at the track. My kids ride dirt bikes, so they got a lot of practice in, but that also means that we spent so very little time at home, and our house just became a complete disaster. There's stuff everywhere, and I'm hoping that you guys find tons of motivation from this video to get everything that you need to get done. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena, I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation. And in today's video, once again, my downstairs area, the bar area, the family room, and the kids' toy area became a crazy disaster. The downstairs where we primarily spent most of our time, so the upstairs was actually pretty tidy. The kids' bedrooms, they did a good job of keeping them clean, but that means everything downstairs was a literal disaster. It was super messy, so we're gonna be doing a lot of cleaning. Starting off my bar area, a lot of the dishes tend to accumulate downstairs just because we make most of our food upstairs, but we bring them downstairs. We eat in front of the family room where it's really convenient for us, and I do a lot of the dishes down here as well, and there's just so many dishes. If you guys are enjoying this video, I would love if you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below.
Keep on driving and driving.
So I have been recently using a lot of the Meyers Fall Scent, their cleaning multi-surface spray, and let me tell you, this smells so good. The really great thing about this is that the smell lingers, so it's kind of like freshening your whole house as you're cleaning because the scent is so strong. For some people, it may be a little too strong, but I love how the kitchen area ends up smelling afterwards because that scent just lingers for minutes, you know, sometimes 20-30 minutes. It's just awesome.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head on film, my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
As always, when I'm cleaning, I tend to light candles, just, you know, give that aromatherapy. And I love fall, so I really love all of the fall scents, the pumpkin spice, the cinnamon scents, the vanilla scents. It's like my favorite. My kids' stuff was absolutely everywhere today. Right now I'm just kind of cleaning up their little activity tables, putting all their crayons away, putting their markers away. This table tends to, get super messy just because they're always crafting. And my daughter tends to do her homework on that little table, while my son tends to do his homework on the countertop. So this has kind of been dedicated to her mostly, and she has been doing so many fall crafts lately. So you guys actually see me picking up a ton of stuff. Now, shortly after I filmed on this day, I did end up going to pick up my kids from school. And when they came home, it was their responsibility to pick up even more things off the floor and just put their own stuff away.
Sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
I want to hear from everyone in the comments. What are you cleaning today? Like, what is your motivation? What is on your to-do list? Let me know.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
So when I designed this house, I actually threw in a 2 burner. Now this isn't intended for cooking at all. This is just kind of intended for warming. So if we have people over, if we're having like a party and something needs to just stay warm while we're kind of downstairs, this is what we're going to use a 2 burner for. We don't, like I said, we don't really do any cooking down here. Most of it's upstairs. Lately, I feel like I've been doing a lot of cooking in the pressure cooker. Like I am so obsessed with my pressure cooker because it does such a great job. And you guys see me turn my head back. I have a movie going on Netflix right now, and sometimes I like to throw on a movie just so the house doesn't seem so quiet, and just, watch the movie as I'm cleaning. It makes time fly a little bit faster, without feeling bored. Another thing that I really like to watch on YouTube actually when I'm cleaning is other people's cleaning videos. It's like my favorite thing to watch. I never thought in a million years that would be something like a criteria that I would be watching, but it is honestly super motivating to watch other people clean, hence why I started my own cleaning channel as well.
Down, down, baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. Yeah.
After finishing up the dishes, all I'm going to use is a magic eraser and some Dawn Power Wash to really clean out that sink, get any of the water residue off, and it did a really good job. Sometimes I use different products. I know the pink stuff is really popular right now, and I really love that stuff, Barkeeper's Friend. But today I'm just doing basic what's in front of me, and that's going to be a magic eraser and Dawn Power Wash, which is awesome.
Be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short.
if you guys have been watching my channel previously, you guys know that I love this Shark stick vacuum. It is my favorite. And today I am just cleaning out the filters. Actually, I'm swapping them out. I'm going to throw the dirty filters into the wash. It's super easy. But my Shark vacuum is starting to, I guess, not work as well. I have replaced a few parts on there, and I am looking for a new stick vacuum, and I see that they have like amazing newer Shark stick vacuums. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know in the comments below, because I would love something that is lightweight, easy, and honestly, I really don't mind that it's corded. It doesn't bother me. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys like? What do you use? What is your favorite? Having all white baseboards and really light walls in our house, honestly, we collect so much dust, but it's super visible. So I'm constantly cleaning the baseboards, constantly cleaning the walls. Our walls are actually due for touch-ups because they are so bad. And you can't really see it on camera, but there is just handprints everywhere. We have markers. You know, my kids have taken some crayons to the walls, and we really need to do lots of touch-ups. Now, when we sell this house will be completely repainted, and a lot of the things that aren't finished will be finished up. So that way, when the new owners purchase it, it's going to look spectacular. But for now, we just have to kind of maintain and clean all of that grime off. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking, when are we going to move? I've been talking about it for probably a year and a half. Honestly, I have no idea. The market where we're at is pretty crazy. House prices have gone, you know, insane. And, you know, I'm in real estate, but the problem is I'm pretty particular. I'm looking for a really big yard. We don't necessarily need, you know, a big house or anything like that. We do need a lot of garage space. And we are looking for a big yard. I also want a house that I can fix up ourselves. So, you know, maybe a gut or things like that. But lately it's been really hard to find. This last year, it's just been insane. So we are still holding out. I don't want to settle. There are days that I want to just settle and buy something, but I really don't, because I know in the end that if we settle, I won't be happy. We just really, you know, we're really outdoorsy people. We spend a lot of time outdoors, and a yard, a huge yard, is so incredibly important for us. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer when we soar away among the clouds. Shoes seriously tend to clutter a lot of our house. We don't have a designated closet on the front door or the back door, just because the size of the house is so small, and most of these houses aren't really designed with a ton of closet space. Our closets are really small, so we kind of have to just improvise. And right now I'm just using a basket. We've got some hooks on the walls, but this has to be decluttered very often or it gets super overwhelming. You guys see that my stairs are still not finished. Like I said, it's going to be finished after we move out. We will never be able to get the couches out or the bigger furniture if we put the stair railings up right now. So we want to do that once we're completely moved out. Like I said, who knows when that's going to be. I'm honestly hoping for soon. So is my husband. But, you know, like I said before, we really don't want to settle. We just want that really big yard. Mikey's area really turns into a disaster a lot of the times, and sometimes it's super frustrating because I can be cleaning all day long. They come home, you know, and they start playing with their toys. They don't necessarily always put it back, but I have to keep telling myself and remind myself to cherish these moments because, you know, my son is 6 and my daughter is 4, and it tears me up when I think that in a few years they are going to be so much older they're not going to want any of these toys anymore. You know, we won't have as many toys in the house, and it literally tears me up. Like, I can't even think about them getting older because it's so hard for me. So I know the mess sometimes is out of control, but I have to cherish it because it's only a mess for a few years. And oh my gosh, next thing you know, they like won't be at home. They'll be like off to college. I know it's crazy to think about all of that, but I think about it all the time. I picked up these beanbag chairs at Walmart on clearance, and these are outdoor beanbag chairs. Now that one is kind of dirty because my daughter put slime in there. I have to definitely clean it, but these things are amazing. We're using them obviously for inside. We're not using them for outside, but they are so comfortable when we're watching movies. They are so awesome. Honestly, me and my husband, when my kids are sleeping, we sit on these things all the time. We pop them in front of the TV, and they are great.
I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up.
You guys saw me earlier pull out a ton of other books. I got some of those books from my mom. She got them from, I guess, her boss, and they are a bunch of children's books. So I pulled those out, and we have been doing a ton of reading, especially with my son because he's in first grade. We really want to strengthen his reading, so we have been doing a ton of reading and going through a ton of these books. And I feel like I've been collecting a ton of books lately just because we keep rereading books. Once my son's kind of done with those books, you know, we do it with my daughter. And I honestly just ordered a few more books off Amazon.
I get low at the same time.
The space already looks so much better, so much cleaner. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would love if you guys gave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and, you know, leave a comment. Let me know how you enjoyed it.
Never thought